Welcome friends. If you guys have not seen my previous video, please watch them. In the previous video, I have explained what is deep copy. I have created a manual function which is creating a deep copy. I have also used the built-in methods like string serialization functions and a structured clone function, which was creating the deep copy. Now in this video, we will understand what is shallow copy. It will be a quick video. So let's come to the point. Shallow copy is copying the top level properties and all the nested arrays objects will remain referenced. According to the definition, let's come to the definition once again. In contrast to the deep copy, a shallow copy only copies the top level properties while nested objects arrays remains referenced, meaning changes in the copy will also affect the original. So what is top level properties? First come to this point. Top level properties, the properties directly attached to the object. So what are the properties directly attached to the object? As you can see, the name, age, address, date, weekend, these properties are directly attached to the object. These are top level properties. But if you see their values, if the directly attached properties has the primitive type of value, they will be just copied. If the values of the directly attached properties are nested objects, nested sets, nested arrays and functions and this, they will be remained referenced, means the reference will be copied for the nested maps, nested functions, nested set, nested array, nested objects. But for the top level properties with primitive type values, they will be just copied. That is called the shallow copy. Now let's clarify it with the simplest example. Let's say this is a variable. Here we will hold the shallow copy. So there are a couple of methods available in the JavaScript for creating the shallow copy. Let's use one of them, shallow. That is called spread operator. It is easy. You can use Object.assign. You can use concat function, slice function. There are a lot of methods available for creating the shallow copy. So now let's see. Now we have created a shallow copy. So if you see more carefully, according to the definition, it will copy the top level properties. If the top level properties have the primitive type values, they will be just copied. They will not be referenced. If they have nested objects, nested set, nested function, whatever, they will be remained referenced. They will be taken as the referenced in the shallow copy. Now let's do the simplest modification. Shallow copy dot name. If you do the simplest modification, let's put it a W. So as you can see, name property is not a referenced type property in the shallow copy. As I said, it is a primitive type value. So if you change it here, nothing will happen in the original one. Now on the other hand, if you change the simply dot address dot city, let's put it Noida. Now if you console the original one, you will be surprised to see what value will change here. Dot name, it should not change according to the definition. It should change according to the definition. Now let's see the output. As you can see, we got the alka for the first case. First case means what here? Person.name. What is person.name? Person.name is alka itself. It doesn't change. We try to change it here, but it didn't change. It works well according to the definition. Now, as you can see, Noida. I put the Noida. I try to change the city. Yeah, it had changed. If I console person.address.city, person.address.city, it is Kolkata here, but it had changed. That is called the shallow copy. I hope you guys have understood it clearly, so you should not be confused in the interviews. Please watch my previous videos if you have not watched. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel.